right, let's get going. The first step is to warm the milk. You'll need a saucepan. Pour the milk into the saucepan and add the lemon zest. Add the ground cinnamon and place over low heat. Warm the milk, stirring the bottom of the pan with a wooden spoon. Then turn off the heat and take the pan off the burner. Remove the lemon zest from the warm milk. The next step is to mix the sugar and egg yolks. You'll need a saucepan and a whisk. Put the egg yolks and the sugar into the second saucepan. Add the cornstarch and mix the ingredients with the whisk. That's it for preparations. Add the warm milk a little at a time, stirring continuously. Place the custard over low heat and heat through while stirring. When the mixture thickens, remove from the heat and allow to cool. Once the mixture has cooled, place it in serving bowls. Cover the bowls with plastic wrap and place them in the refrigerator to chill. Remove the desserts from the fridge and decorate them with ladyfingers. They're ready to eat. Well done!